Hello YouTube, Songoland here. Today I am again with my Jeep. Little by little we are fixing all the problems we were having with this car. Today we are going to be working in the light signals because we are having a problem. The light signals of the warning are working, but when we want to use this, sometimes works, sometimes no, and I think we have a relay problem because I hit in here sometimes and start to work. Also, it's possible we have a problem with that, but I don't think so. Then the first thing we are going to do today is take apart all the dashboard, take this out and look for the relay box, what is inside here, and try to find the blinking lights relay, have a look on it and see if we can fix it. Let's do it then, it's going to be fun. First thing we are going to do before I start to work with electrical parts inside on the car, we are going to unplug the negative side of the battery. In this case, if we make it wrong, something inside, I hope we have not any damage. Okay, then here we are with the relay. We have just taken it out from the car. As you see, it's a really big relay. I think it controls more things, not only the blinking lights. Okay, we are going to open it and see what we have inside. Okay, then after check it, I cannot find any break or something. Everything looks okay. Then maybe I have one of these things broken. Anyway, one time here I'm going to resolder everything again and see if maybe was a crack and I cannot see it, and maybe some new soldering on here will fix the problem. We will see if we are lucky, because these relays, they are really expensive, and if we can save more than 100 euros probably, will be great. Okay, I just add some soldering in all these pins. Some of they are linked together. And nothing, I'm going to try it and hope it works. Battery already connected, and we are going to make the test. Warning signals are working. The moment of the truth. Yes. Nice. They are working again. Then looks like probably was a little broken in the solderings or something. Resolder all the connectors. At moment solve the problem. I'm going to assemble all that together then, and we are done with that. Taking advantage, we have assembled these panels. We are going to blow it a bit for take a bit the dust off. Well, everything is in place. Nice assembled, the top, the bottom. We don't miss any screw, which is always great. The blinking lights are working again. Then super happy. I hope that video helps someone and can help to save some money on the euros or some time if you are doing that. As you see, we just with one solder and the relay on the underneath we fix the blinking lights and nothing. It was easy. Hope you like the video and give us a like. That will help us to keep uploading videos like these ones. Thanks a lot for tuning Songoland Garage, friends. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.